to install Terrace Board Woodgrain edging from Mastermark. To install, you will need Terrace Board edging and Terrace Board stakes. Step 1. Place in sun. Place edging in sunlight for at least 30 minutes prior to installation, with a weight on each end. This allows for thermal expansion and straightens edging. Step 2. Determine depth. Choose desired trench depth. A minimum depth of 1.5 inches is recommended. Ensure depth is consistent along entire trench to reduce unwanted waves. Step 3. Dig trench. Using a shovel or garden spade, dig a trench and maintain a clean edge on the grass side. Insert edging into trench against the grass. Step 4. Stake. Using a rubber mallet, anchor edging with Terrace Board stakes every 4 feet and every 2 feet for curves. Pull edging tight between stakes in straight areas. Step 5. Backfill trench with dirt, mulch, rock, or preferred landscape material. Step 6. Sit back and enjoy your new Terrace Board landscape edging.